Morning time.
Morning.
This will make a big run.
And if it's big, but it's a run.
Sunshine. Good morning.
Good night.
Ready for the day? Not ready. Wait, sign up. Good morning.
Eh? Expressions are called
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ready for today?
Mm-hmm.
Sure.
Morning time. Today's move is going to Cardiff. We're using that location. Thank you very much. And people, first thing in the morning, I learned this thing recently. Warm water, cayenne pepper, and just squeeze a lemon in it. So that's the warm water with the cayenne pepper. Them say it clear up your system. So that may beat there.
So that means no sugar.
No sugar.
Jesus.
See?
Better fold you up a little
But
bit.
yeah, you have to fold you up a little bit. Yeah?
Excuse me.
So
why
people
excuse me so strong?
is lead agents there. Today the lead agents them are going to sit down and discuss the way forward. So look out for that and roll it on the journey. Why you keep where you started? People. People. Most soon I'll come if I start walk.
I walk, Sean, I make the man walk and send telling us, Sean, why don't you just leave the car alone? Sean, that's ever pick you up road, so. Son, let me believe their badness now.
Stand up. Stand up back again like
Come.
the bad guy stand up. See that?
Yeah.
Ready? What do you say? Run and drive. None and move. One and drive, none and move.
I'm gonna move it out. No, you know. Alright. So we're ready to go. Up and ready.
No name, but you do what life open.
I would never have dreamed it.
So Shells, you have P-side dresser, P-side bathroom,
Hello.
P-side
No.
drawer.
Remember, we are filming like we're on vacation. It's a retreat. Bath suit, change of clothes,
Just
fresh
in
up
case.
back, just in case.
No one
So
talking
whenever you
about
go to
bathsuits, you know.
bathsuit,
Some are skinny
Excuse
dip.
me?
Then you might show you know.
Guess what? Food.
That's all the
I
face.
heard when your heart skipped a beat.
That's all the face beside you. Watch out. How about this? Let's see about food in the man. So how much patty I go on? 2 though? 3?
Yes.
Jesus!
Worm them attack.
You heard them attack.
That's not a
You have to
worm.
feed me and the worm.
That's not worm, that's snake.
You have to feed me and the snake. One patty can do nobody no eat. I think much less 2.
Much less 2?
3 are bonus.
So what do you mean by much less 2? 2 must can do something.
So which is cheap? To feed you or clothe you?
I know people say they'd rather close me than feed. A lot of people say they'd rather close me.
So if you don't have another ad where say, give me one of everything.
Hey, Anything not buy 2.
I like your 10 right there, so.
Buy 4 then.
Where's the dirty money?
Dirty money there in my bag.
I'm in the party store, remember, Papa? You want some from in there, sir?
So it's that time. The patties are here. What kind of patty I have, Uncle B?
Beef.
Beef. Alright.
So what are the remaining food?
So want to mine. And want to. If you got to we around here, you're not going to eat.
Whisper and German.
So you're not going to eat.
Yeah, I just check. I just remember saying we don't have food on this one.
Oh, so I know we have more to eat.
How much patty you get?
One and a cocoa bread.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
The false.
Damn. She fall short by
I
2.
never remember to buy the 2.
By what?
2 more.
So you're on this tip.
Wait. Shake. And the black. Now what flavor you got?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Alright.
Chocolate.
What?
What? There's a chocolate make you go sleep on gas.
Post gas.
Well, you're around here with me. You'll be able to taste the theory.
Yes, man.
This
Yes, man. Yes, man. Gas. Yeah, you never expect that, yeah?
See, that's how
me first I get it.
you're pronouncing sentence on me.
Prepare.
Be careful, it might backfire.
I'm gonna reach them yet. Please up off our gas there.
What is that drive, right?
Bag one.
This road, we're going to be missing that whatever you're doing.
Oh, a Subaru round the you know. I'm gear one. Go almost as slow. No, I'm going. Watch out. Something else I'll pass him. Let's overtake him by the inside. It'll be a nice knock prayer. Alright, another one.
Spot have it percent.
But yeah. Alright. And they're approaching. You want to know?
Police ratted see you eat when you pass it.
Now what is? What is? What is? What is this?
You're not dealing none of it, you know. I bring enough food and money to sustain me.
Yeah.
You just give her one.
Yeah, me not bail nobody.
Yeah, we out here.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.